around the parking lot and look at this footage.
Wouldn't be ironic if we got a car accident right now?
Yeah. So every time you do turn on the car, you will hear the camera turn on, and I like to have that feature on because sometimes you turn it on, the camera doesn't turn on for some reason. You can tell that maybe a cord came undone or something. So that's always a good feature I like to have on. But having a dash cam is really important when you're out driving or commuting every day, because it can save your butt with insurance. It's happened to me plenty of times. So it's definitely worth the $60 investment or whatever investment, because it will save you a lot of money down the road on your insurance.